In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution on Samsung Odyssey G5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage the resolution size on your Samsung Odyssey monitor. So you will be able to do this in two ways. You can either do this on the monitor itself or on Windows. First, I'm going to teach you how to do it on the monitor itself, and then I'm going to showcase Windows. For the monitor itself, you simply press the button on the monitor. It should be right around here. And when you press that button, you will be able to browse through various different categories. The one that you are looking for should be selected by default, the game category. Inside of game, you will be able to find screen size. As the name suggests, this is going to refer to the size on your monitor. So usually, if you set it to auto and you have the widescreen version of the G5, it is just going to use the entirety of the monitor, so the native resolution. You can also customize it to use it as 16 by 9, so instead of having the wide FOV, these parts won't be used and you will have a standard 16 by 9 view. You can set it to 16 to 10, which is a little bit bigger, or even 4 by 3, which is even more square. So all that you have to do is choose whichever option you prefer here. Just use the joystick on the monitor to select any of these options, and then use the button to actually choose them once you highlight them on the list. Now, like I mentioned, you can also change this on Windows itself. To do this, right-click the desktop, go over to Display Settings, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find the resolution options here. So make sure that you select the Odyssey G5 if you have multiple monitors, and then you can choose the resolution from this list. Once you have it selected, Windows will adjust the size, and the new resolution will be displayed. But remember to always try to match the screen size setup on the monitor itself. I hope I was able to help you on how to change resolution on Samsung Odyssey G5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.